Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this soft glam glitter look. This look is perfect if you want a soft glam and also like to add little glitter to it. I will start after this short intro. I'm using foolproof brow powder from Benefits for my eyebrows today. I'm just filling my brows with an angle brush and I'm using a really soft hand. For the base of my eyeshadow, I'm using Too Faced concealer and I'm using a flat brush to apply this. Now I'm using MAC powder to powder my eyelids. I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. I'm taking this first light shade and I'm applying this in my outer corner and above crease. Now I'm taking this shade from the palette and I'm applying this on my eyelids. To highlight my inner corner, I'm taking this white color from the palette and I'm applying this in my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm just adding a little black above lash line. Now I'm taking this MAC glitter and adding this to my eyelids. And for eyeliner, I'm using Inglot gel eyeliner today and I'm using an angle brush to apply this. I'm using MAC foundation in shade NC30 and I'm applying this with a brush and then I will blend it with my beauty blender. And I'm using Too Faced concealer for my highlights on. Now I'm taking MAC mineralized powder in shade medium and I'm applying it all over my face. I'm using Anastasia bronzer to add some shades to my face. For baking, I'm using Huda Beauty loose powder in shade banana bread. I'm using Vasanthi extreme black kajal for my waterline. I'm taking this shade from my palette and I'm applying this underneath my lower lash line. I'm using Lancome mascara for my lashes today. Now I'm dusting away all the loose powder I have applied earlier. I'm spraying MAC Fix Plus spray on a sponge and then press it into my skin. Okay, now it's time for lips, and I have mixed some shades from beige Nudes and Morphe Jealousy to create this lip color. I'm using Becca highlighter to highlight my cheekbones and also bridge of my nose. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and learned something today. I've received so many requests about Morphe 90 palette, so I will create another look for you guys using that palette. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.